Welcome to the Chronology series of Elizabethan age brought to you by Only English Literature. In the last video, we have covered till Ben Jonson. Today we'll talk about John Donne first. John Donne was born in 1572. His works are Thanatos, 1608, Pseudo Martyr, 1610, Anniversaries, 1611, Devotions upon Emergent Occasions, 1624, Paradoxes and Problems, 1624, A Valediction Forbidding Mourning, 1633, Batter My Heart, 1633, Death Be Not Proud, 1633, Holy Sonnets, 1633, Songs and Sonnets, 1633, The Canonization, 1633. Next is Thomas Heywood, 1573 to 1641. His major works are A Woman Killed with Kindness, 1607, An Apology for Actors, 1612, and Love's Mistress, 1636. And the last but not the least is John Fletcher, 1579 to 1625. His works are The Faithful Shepherdess, 1609, The Maid's Tragedy, 1619, Philoster, 1620, The False One, 1647. Hope you have liked this video. We are very close to 400 subscribers. Please subscribe to this channel if possible if you are liking my videos.